Welcome to my garden. I'm filming this video during the middle of the global pandemic in what should have been Chelsea Flower Show week. So I thought if I'd bring you out into my garden and take a minute to be quiet and still and to admire some of the peonies I've got in front of me. They've got a really short flowering season. I'm Julie. Welcome to my channel. I teach flower arranging classes, and so many of the ladies that come to class tell me how therapeutic they find it working with flowers. They're able to concentrate on a creative process and put the troubles and worries of life to one side for a while. Being out in nature can be a really mindful experience. It's 6:30 in the morning. I'm going to stop and notice, engage my senses and push all my negative and troubling thoughts out of my mind for a few moments. There's quite a chill to the air. My arms feel a little bit cold. There's a slight breeze. I can hear birdsong and the distant sound of a train. I'm going to try and block out man-made sounds and concentrate on the sounds of nature. I can see in front of me the beautiful peonies. Lovely, huge, open faces, turned towards the sun. These peonies are called coral charm. They're lovely, deepish pink when they open, and as they mature, they pale out to a soft, peachy parchment colour. The buds start off really small and tight, really hard, tough to the touch. As they open out, the petals unfurl, almost like swan's feathers. I carefully make my way down into the centre of the flower. I can see the yellow pollen and the frilly stamens and a secret world inside. I do hope you get a chance to be outside in nature and just stop and rest and notice. After a few moments, you'll feel your breath settling into a new, quieter rhythm. See what you can hear, what you can see, what you can feel. And if you're in a garden, what scents you can smell. I'm going to walk around the rest of the garden before I go in and have my breakfast. I'll leave you with my peonies.